Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. It is time to light up a fire with flint and steel so I can cook a burger. I'll be using my flint and steel that Jason Edward Leberry sent me from New Zealand. And to make sure I get the fire going, I'm gonna chop out some New Zealand sticky icky fat wood.
Do you want fire?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Okay, that should be enough. I got my New Zealand sticky icky fat wood, some twigs, some of this New Zealand artist conch polypore. Check it out. I have a little shard of English flint. Here's this. Now, I struck it a couple of times and I was able to get this lit. So let's do this again. It's a little bit windy. Thank you, Jason Edward Ledbury.
What? There is the fireplace?
There it is. It's lit already. Thank you, Jason Edward Ledbury, for the flint and steel striker. I must set this here for a little while. Let me put this away. Beautiful flint and steel kit. Put this away. Look at this one. It's going on. I don't know if I should be skimpy and use half of that and save some for later. Well, we'll learn by now, right? Here is my fat wood. Man, I hope I can get this lit, right? I'm using my bellows that he also sent me. You're gonna see right now, folks, if we get this going. Not working so good for me. Let me add another piece. Yeah, another big thing. It's hard to get this thing going. Some shavings from that New Zealand sticky icky fat wood. Let's see how that goes. piece of cactus that's been dried and left in the sun for a very long time. Let me see if I can get this going. Alright folks, let's get this another chance. There it is. Hell yeah. With a little persuasion, I got it to work. All right, thank you, Jason Edward Ledbury. Now let's get some coals going and cook my burgers. All right, here's my twigs. My coals. Just wait till the coals get some mashes on top, and then we'll start cooking. Time to cook some burgers on the McGrilla. This is my McGrilla from Fab Creations, Bruce Messler. I hope you're doing good, Bruce. We got some fresh patties. Oh yeah, folks, these burgers are looking good. It's time to flip. All right, time to toast the bun. All right, the bread's looking nice and toasty. Hell yeah. This McGrilla is perfect for a couple of people. All right, that burger's done. Check it out. This is for my boy. All right, here we go. Second round of burgers on the McGrilla from Fab Creations. Oh yeah, folks. It's looking good. All right, folks. This is my burger right here. Just simple, cheeseburger. Taste test. Delicious. Alright folks, I'll see you guys in the next video.